give it up.
Yo, on YouTube, here I am, another Challenge Thursday, and I accept your challenge, Yilong, and I've chosen Paradise song. I'm gonna do Paradise's Walk Through. Be prepared, it's good. I loved you from the start, but I never had the heart to tell you face to face, so we can cut the chase. My heart is set on fire, burning in desire to get close to you, so you can love me too. So listen to my words, so you can be sure that you and me equals together and love is forever. Go, yeah, yeah, go, yeah, go, yeah, you go, yeah. Kusa ola, kusa toka tatoya, kusa laia toka, shaika boyoti, osha okutu. Gonna look out this window now. It's a good window. Alright, Yilong, for next week, in light of Hmong New Year Fresno starting, you must choose a Sounder song. And I look forward to it, sir. Bye.